Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to install the Canva app on a PC. This is a great way to access Canva faster and work on designs more efficiently right from the computer. Now, let's get started. On the Canva dashboard, to install Canva, first we need to click the mini profile logo in the lower left part. Once we're here, we just need to click Get the Canva app. Here, we can download the installer for Windows, Mac OS, iOS, Android, or Chromebook, depending on our preferences. Since we are using Windows, we will download Canva for Windows. Now, we just need to choose where we want to save the installer. Let's wait for the download to finish so we can install Canva. Once the download is done, we can go to the desktop. We need to locate where the download is saved. Here is the installer. Just double-click the installer and it will begin installing on Windows or desktop. As we can see, the installation starts. That's how we install the Canva app on PC. With this simple setup, we can easily launch Canva anytime and streamline our design workflow.